Я сделаю небольшую презентацию нашей линии для того, чтобы рассказать о каждом.
I will make a short presentation of our line in order to tell you about each unit and each part of the equipment in our automatic line. This is a heated tank with agitator in which we prepare the gel. Now I am pointing at an electric motor with blades installed inside. The motor is mixing the volume of gel that we are preparing with the blades.
Объем геля, который мы приготавливаем. Этот реактор имеет водяную рубашку и также терморубашку.
This heated tank with agitator has a water jacket and thermal protection, which helps to maintain the temperature so as not to heat the air in the room. The system of observation windows, lighting system.
По специальным подогревающимся шлангам гель.
From our tank, the gel is pumped through special heating hoses to the tank in the encapsulator, and through the return hose is returned back to our tank.
Это сделано для того, чтобы все время поддерживать высокую температуру геля внутри нашего реактора. Мы работаем с.
This is done in order to maintain the high temperature of the gel inside our reactor at all times. We work with agar-agar that requires a temperature of more than plus 90 degrees Celsius. If there were only one heated hose, then the material inside would cool down and block the gel from moving. Therefore, we lift the material into the tank of the encapsulator using one hose and dump the excess gel back into our boiler via the second hose.
И устройство, которое регулирует.
This electric cabinet regulates the heating temperature of our heated hoses. It also regulates the speed of the gel feeding to our tank at the top and the device that regulates the temperature of the gel that we made, as well as the speed of the blade's rotation. Everything gets into our encapsulator through heated hoses. Here is the GMP version of our encapsulator, made entirely of stainless steel. All corners are rounded, ensuring easy cleaning and washing in accordance with GMP standards.
Камера наша герметична, что исключает попадание.
Sealing of our chamber eliminates the ingress of all kinds of polluting particles. There is a thermal insulation material inside the chamber. It maintains a certain temperature.
Сейчас я вам расскажу о конструктивных особенностях GMP капсулятора.
Now I will tell you about the design features of the GMP encapsulator. The top panel has a control system. There are temperature controls for transport oil, gel, and oil that is placed inside the capsule. Now the ambient temperature is shown, but when we program our encapsulator to work, we set the temperatures we want to work with. If your material, oil, or animal fat requires heating, our tanks, which are located at the back of the encapsulator, also have a water jacket system, a water bath, which will warm up the materials. Now we use high precision controls that allow adjusting the speed of material movement within our system. It means that special pumps regulate the feeding rate of the material that becomes the capsule shell and the material that is placed inside the capsules. This significantly enhances the dosing accuracy. Having set certain indicators on the devices today, you can run it in the same mode the next day and reproduce it all. In order to see the encapsulator operation process and the formation of the capsules, we use special stroboscopic lamps that show us what happens when we form capsules thanks to their light pulsation. The capsules move at a very high speed, more than 24 capsules per second, and they seem invisible, but when we turn on the stroboscope, it gives us the opportunity to see how the capsules are formed. Now the capsule production is not in process. I'm just showing you how it works. You can also switch the lighting mode of the internal camera to see the entire process. Later, we will make a video clip showing the equipment in operation.
Полукруглые углы обеспечивают удобство.
Rounded corners provide easy cleaning, which meets the GMP standard. Stainless steel is inside and outside. This material is suitable for the production of food and pharmaceutical products.
Нижняя часть.
You can easily obtain any permit to use this equipment at your facility. The bottom part of the chamber is for the transport oil cooling system. Inside there is a special box with a double wall, where the coolant is pumped by a pump, and all the transport oil is cooled in this box. If necessary, this unit can be easily detached, drained, and cleaned inside.
Внутренние углы данного бокса также
The inner corners of this box are also radial, which makes them easy to wash.
Я сейчас продемонстрирую вам конструкцию данной.
I have just shown you the design of this container for transport oil cooling. I am holding a similar container. This is a double-walled stainless steel container with radial corners, in which the coolant is fed along the inner walls. And here is the transport oil. Its intensive cooling takes place here. Those who know our equipment and have seen previous designs will appreciate this technical solution.
Мы используем специальные силиконовые армированные шланги.
Thanks to special silicone-reinforced hoses, we get high-quality products. They are easy to dismantle. They are very soft. Here, you see, I'm twisting them now. At the same time, they are certified. They have a European certificate, and we install them in our encapsulator.
В нашем капсуляторе мы используем.
We use 2 tanks in our encapsulator. One is for the oil or fish oil that you want to fill in the capsule. The gel is in the other similar 18-liter tank. The system in the lid is designed in such a way that a continuous supply of gel or encapsulation material is provided to our tanks throughout the entire 24-hour operation of the equipment. It is worth mentioning the quality of this tank. It fully complies with GMP requirements. It has a semicircular bottom and a radius, which allow cleaning and washing these tanks inside and outside. Those who have seen our previous tanks will be agreeably surprised by the progress we have made in this respect. We have also made convenient side handles for removing and placing tanks filled with the gel and material up into our encapsulator. This is also very convenient, and we have fulfilled the request of our clients to make this process as convenient as possible.
Я еще раз продемонстрирую, каким образом передается гель из нашего реактора.
Once again, I will demonstrate how the gel is fed from our heating tank, from our container with a stirrer to the equipment. Please note that 2 hoses go out. One goes to the tank, and one from the same tank it returns to our reactor. Here are the connections. Also, please note that on the back side, we have made a complete protection from contact with the hot material of the water bath. That is, we have insulated it and made a protective stainless steel panel.
С задней стороны находится система компрессоров, система.
On the back side, there is a compressor system and a transport oil cooling system. It is covered with a protective closure for safety. Perforated holes allow air circulation to cool and maintain a certain temperature at the pumps and other equipment, which is located in the back side. The electrical cabinet is also made of stainless steel, inside which all our electronic devices are located. I'd like to highlight that all components are made in Germany. Frequency controllers, various electronic components meet high requirements of the European equipment market. Capsulator.ru invites you to our showroom, where we can demonstrate the operation of our equipment. We are always happy to see you. We are open to everyone and will be happy to show you how our equipment works. You are welcome to contact us at any time.